How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Traded King, where I catch you bottoms and tops in the stock market. I want to do a quick update on FFIE before the market opens here at 9:30. And yeah, I was making a video yesterday about the meme stock rallies, and we're seeing right in here we had some resistance at my upper band. And definitely do not ever buy at the upper band. If we're going to trade this, we want to make sure we get a nice pullback. What I like to see is on my 5 minute chart. I like to see those nice pullbacks. So right in here, we hit the upper band and we sold off. This thing was lagging really hard, and I liked FFIE down over here near the lower band. And when you see GME and AMC like running hard and then FFIE isn't, a lot of the times these are called your lagging sectors. And this is, a stock that usually does run with GameStop and AMC. And as you can see, we made a big move up from the low of 50 cents all the way to 80 cents, making a massive gain, almost 100% run, right? And then we have this nice little pullback. A lot of people probably got stuck up in the hype and bought up here in the upper band. But this is what I want to show you guys. The daily candle, like I said yesterday, is extremely, we have room up. We try to look for price to be under the EMA 20 and the EMA 5. Those are the absolute best entries. When we see on the daily candle on any time frame, and if we see the price is above this upper band, just like on the 5 minute and time frame, we never buy it just like that. We have very strict rules with this system. If you guys want to join the Discord and get your chart to look like this, because this is going to be a very hype day for FFIE, in my opinion. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments if you want to join. But as you can see, if we're trading a stock that has had a big move up and then it's coming down, we look for a bounce on the EMA 5, and it's usually just a one-type bounce, and we go to the next level, which is your EMA 10, which is your trampoline effect, and it goes all the way up from here, and then we're under the EMA 20. I use the three EMAs, the 5, 10, and 20. And I'll show you guys why this is so important. The EMA 5 is something that always gets hits. As you can see, when price goes up, where does it go? It hits the EMA 5. Price goes all the way up, and this is why it was so scary for FFIE to be up here, because look at the distance to the EMA 5. 2.34, and it hits it at 92 cents, and then it does one last rally at 3.90, and hits it at 120. So I want to make this video quick before the market opens, because I want to really help you guys on this. I think, you guys can really make a lot of money compared to the GME and AMC. This one is the hidden one, as I called it yesterday, and it's up 16% pre-market. So we have the daily candle right here. It's going to touch the EMA 5. Ideally, if you didn't get in, these are the best entries. Under the EMA 5 right in here and then right in here, because what does price conservatively have to do? And it touches the EMA 5. You can have a trail and stop or a stop loss just right under it if it doesn't want to go. And guess what happens? When it hits the EMA 5, it did tend to go down. So this is what I like about this one. We have not hit the EMA 10, which is this yellow line right here, and we have to hit that too in a shorter amount of time frame compared to the 20. So we are going to hit this really fast. This is looking like a scenario, in my opinion, that we can get above all these bands into this black area here for a very, very nice gain. Can we hit the highs of 87 cents? Absolutely, and retest this resistance. We already hit 80 cents, guys. It's definitely possible. So what I want to see on the 1 minute and 5 minute, here's the 1 minute chart. You can see a little bit of buying areas all throughout here. Right in here, you can accumulate, and then right in here, you can accumulate, and then right here, you would have been up a little more. I do like this. The best way to do it is the 5 minute, but I don't know if we're going to get sometimes we just don't touch the bottom band because this is a higher time frame, right? It's just like the daily trying to hit the bottom band, like down here. Higher time frames do it less harder, but you got to realize this is a meme stock rally, and I think this is going to, really pick up some steam. I love bottom reversals near close to the bottom band, like down here. This is my bread and butter type of plays, and that's where I make most of my money in the Discord. As you can see, when price gets close to lower band, it shoots up with this system. And there was one more right here that made us 100% returns price went to the lower band, guess what price has to do, guys? It always hits the 5, the 10, and the 20. We just have to make sure we take the best probabilities of using average true range, and then we're under the EMA 5 just in case if a trade just does not work as well. We just refresh it at the EMA 5. So this is FFIE. I'm going to look at the 1 minute candle here. I'm looking for something like this kind of thing. For anybody that got up at 7:53 in the morning, this is the kind of patterns you're looking for. You see this right here. You look for a retest. Once you see the candle hit the bottom band, look for a retest and put it slightly over it. And so you would have got in on this candle right here. Same thing with this right here. Once you see that the bottom candle has penetrated, you look for a retest. And so, this is the low. It goes up, and then it retests, and you get filled right on the edge of this candle. And you could get some right in here if you wanted to, as this candle right here is the retest of this bottom candle here, as you can see. So, and then look at this massive 1 minute candle doing 7%. 1%, 2%, and just goes up. That's how you're going to want to play this. Do not play it any other way, because if you're starting to buy it like, for example, if you start buying FFIE when it's like this and it's already running, it's too risky. It's too late. You do not play it anymore, because look, it has to revert to the mean. Yes, it can stagnate like this, but as you can see, we're going to hit these EMA bands, and then, Lord willing, you don't want it to hit the bottom band, and then if you bought it up in here, you lost all your gains. So that's my update for FFIE today. We had the live stream going on. This thing is going to rocket, and I wanted to help you guys get precise entries. Obviously, we're going to look at the daily candle, make sure we're probably going to be touching the EMA 5, which is probably fine, because we're going to make that EMA 10 touch. And we know the EMA 10 is, as I'm speaking, it's at 67 cents. Price is at what? 62. So we are going to hit that EMA 10 today for a conservative target. But you want to make sure you get your nice entries. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be in the premium Discord if you guys need my help. It is only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. It is probably the best things you're ever going to get. It's the best education. You get full transparency. When I'm in trades, I give you guys my bread and butter type of trades that win over 95% of the time, and that's a fact with proof. If you guys want to join, hit the link down below into the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you hit that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page, and what you want to do is read how to subscribe, because if you have an Android, you're going to want to read this. And then read avoid scammers. I will never message you first. People use my logo and name. But remember, I only sell the $6 a month service. If you hit the premium chat under subscriptions, it'll ask you to subscribe. And it's only $6. I'm telling you guys, it's not going to change. It's not like a free, lock in $6 and it's going to increase. It's literally only $6. Or 20 cents a day. And when you subscribe, do it on a computer. If you do it on your phone, it will charge an iOS fee that is like $1 or $2 or more. I try to make this so cheap that anybody can join this service and give it a try. We have RTK swing trades. You get alerted on your phone for the bread and butter type of plays that have an over 95% win ratio, but you can use this strategy however you like. Education videos, I post all my education here. Do watch them all. And then RTK Journal is where you can keep track of my trades with my wins and losses. And like I said, over 95% of my trades will win if you follow exactly how I do it with my bread and butter type of plays. All right, so go for that. Once I got in early, yep, I'm using the 1 minute time frame. We're going to accumulate on this, the bottom band on the 1 minute, test and retest. Once it hits the bottom band, put your limit order there. And there's multiple little endpoints you could have got, and then sell the rips, guys. That's how we're going to do it. Make sure you look at the daily and make sure we have room up to that EMA 10, and then obviously this is going to be a squeeze type play. I really think we can get way up into this black area here that I'm going to show you guys. We can really start retesting up in here, I really think. Hope to see you guys in the Discord. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. And like I said, this is the best system that takes out the bias out, and you just use what works. We're using average true range. We're using the EMAs, and then the KDJ, which I didn't get to talk, but I use my education videos. You can learn about the KDJ, this line under here. Hope to see you guys there, and peace out. Happy trading.